Hey guys, this video is about the latest policy of the open work permit that government has released recently. So what is this policy, who can apply to this policy, and how it can benefit you? I would be talking about this policy in this video. So for example, if you go to the Canadian website Immigration and Citizenship and go to work in Canada, so you will find this open work permit for prospective province nominees, so which is the latest policy. You can see this policy would help you to get the open work permit, and but the only thing is they have the participating provinces here only if you are belonging or if you have applied for your nomination in Alberta or Manitoba, then only you can apply for the open work permit here. So who can apply? People who have their valid current work permit and or their work permit was valid till May 7 and they have applied for the extension, and you maintain a status and haven't got any negative decision in the past related to your work permit. And secondly, if you have like temporary residence visa, you're staying in Canada, maintaining your status properly, then you can also apply for this. What you need for this, you would need a support letter issued from the province. For example, first of all, in the PNP case, we submit the expression of interest, EOI. After submitting the expression of interest, then we get the ITA. So if you have applied for the ITA, like government gives you I think 14 times depending upon for which province you have applied. So based upon that, you can get the support letter from your province. And also if you have applied under the streams of employment, then you need to have the employment letter from your employer. That's all you need. And if you're waiting for your decision on the PNP and you have all these three documents, two and three documents ready, support letter, letter of employment, as well as the current valid status in Canada, then you can apply for it. I hope it helps, and yeah, this is a new policy. Just go check it out and apply it. Thank you so much.